Hello once more, welcome to episode 10 of this code along series. I learned FiveM scripting, creating a fuel trailer script. Right, we were struggling to debug previous session, so today we are going to fix that. Fuel trailers, trailer notify still does not work properly. Right. I did elect to move the notification string to the client side in hopes that it works. I actually didn't save that. The restarting deal. There we go. Successfully paid $1 for a trailer. Perfect. Notifications working. Sweet. Now checking the database. I want to refresh the entire database, going to the fuel trailer table, still absolutely nothing. Vehicles, absolutely nothing. Okay, so let's just go through this. Client side, it's definitely notifying, and then we're calling the spawn trailer event, data.name, which is basically I just want to see here, fuel trailer selected. So it completes this entire event without issue. But I believe the issue might come from spawn trailer, which is the function. Checking whether or not we have enough money is no issue at all, because what am I doing? That's all I meant to say, because it has nothing to do with it. We're loading a vehicle model, which isn't the issue, and trailer spawned. We do what? I can actually not recall. We give the keys, which also happens. And this is the other notify that keeps popping up. And then we unload the model. So somewhere in here, there is an issue. So if config.framework is QB, then we do the following. Let me just change that. That just feels a bit better. And yeah, config.platelength is 6. Now heading over, yeah, I think plate length might be our issue. Plate length is what? Let's make it 6. And we obviously need that. I'm just aligning it. Your framework setting for number plate lengths. I think mine is set to 8, so let's make it 8. Just confirm. 65 IEA. And then 3 numbers, yeah. 8. Yeah. Your framework setting for number plate lengths. So plate length is 8. I believe this is a client function. Config.plate length. Let me just search. That's, yeah, only 1 entry, so I believe that might have been where it was getting stuck, because it couldn't make that check, and therefore it couldn't call the rest of it, because it said, yeah, cool, QB core is our framework setting, but nothing about the plate length, so it just executed nothing and exited. So that should resolve it without issue. Can't believe I didn't realize it sooner. Wasted so much time. Goes to show, whenever you do something, finish it. Right, fuel trailer. And now we can refresh this. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Refresh my entire database. Go to fuel trailers data. Nothing to show. Their vehicles. Nothing to show. Alright. Here we go. Pay data and cache. And nothing other than that, which is quite annoying. So, debug we shall. Debug we shall. Debug plate set to okay. Just give that a go for now. Hey, you my way, man. Trailer. F8 shouldn't do anything there, but server side, nothing. Stop the fuel trailer script and then restart it. Give you all the vehicles. Your trailers, purchase a trailer. Showing us we're getting keys to the vehicle. And again, nothing server side. Well, fuel trailer selected. Hold up. Load model. It only calls the empty debug statement and then it just removes the model. So nothing in between. So client side. So nothing about that and nothing about that. But in the config, plate length is set to 8. Config spawn. Ooh. Man, spawn.plate length. Spawn.plate. However, I have set it here, but I spelt it incorrectly. So, my bad. My bad. I take full responsibility. Save the config, save the client. Actually, that messed it up. But remove the spawn. So now, pro tip. Variables are case sensitive. Actually, let's just devuel the vehicles real quick. Devuel. Give me that trailer, mate. Come on then. Plate set to FT2085. So good. So good. Refresh. There we go. Actually shouldn't have shown that. But it's fine. I'll just add a blur at, what is it, like 10 minutes? Awesome. Just noting it down. Awesome sauce. We go to fuel trailers data. Didn't insert into the fuel trailer table though, which is odd. In FiveM to create trailer, model and play vehicle plate. Okay then, create trailer, model plate, calls create trailer the function with model and plate, and then over here, if, there we go. As you may Lua71 attempt to index null value field model, that is Lua71 in server 71. Config dot model dot capacity. Okay. Okay. So, yeah. Maybe we need to give it the capacity. I think we should give it the capacity. Capacity right at the end takes in capacity, so that in client create trailer, we give it the capacity. I think spawn trailer should take in the capacity. So that in this event, we give it the capacity. Oh no, confusing. Right. Where does this data come from? By trailer, and it takes in data. Price config dot trailer. So it takes in that. Okay. Label is definitely the capacity. So what we can do is so small caps amount label. Just call it small caps capacity, maybe. I might be messing up a few things. Okay, label. Okay, not yet. So data dot capacity is what spawn trailer receives, and that should solve some of the issues. Delete all the vehicles, just make sure I saved all the files. I did, in fact. View trailers. Here we go, spawning a trailer. 8291. There we go, that has actually sorted it out. FT 8291. So, that is really fantastic. So fantastic. It actually legitimately finished our save to database callbacks and functions. Now, to finish the trailer event, let me just set up right for this one. We want to do a few checks. We want to see a few things, right? We want to make sure that there is no vehicle currently occupying the spawn location. For that, we just do a client-side function, and we will do this get closest. We already have a function, which is this one. Right. What we want to do is simple. We want a function spawn above the spawn trailer function because we want the spawn trailer function to use it. So function is clear to spawn. I think we'll just return a boolean value. So let's call this a local. No need. Return false as the default. Just by default saying it is not clear to spawn. We will have local model and vehicle coordinates is get closest vehicle to the spawn coordinates of our trailer. So config.spawn.position. So config.spawn.position. Right. Our radius, let's make it 10. I believe that is the radius. And false. So library modules. Get closest vehicle. Shared coordinates. Max distance include player vehicle. Let's just do false. So max distance. I'm not sure. I think 5 should be sufficient. So let's do 5. Perfectly fine. Okay. If now we're gonna go to the cubicle stuff, script optimization, and we will use this over here. Here we go. The distance between the coordinates. This is more efficient to use than get distance between coordinates. So we will do this. We want to get the distance, vehicle coordinates, to spawn coordinates. Right, so here's the thing. We are using the library function get closest vehicle to determine its position. Then we want to see what the distance is between that position of the vehicle and the spawn position. Right. Then we are going to say if the distance is smaller than 5, then we return through end, and not smaller than 5, I'm sorry. If it's larger than 5, we return true. Otherwise, we'll just return false. We don't need an else because that is just what will happen anyway. And yeah, just is clear to spawn. Simple as that. So local function if not is clear to spawn, then return end. There you go. If it isn't clear to spawn a trailer, then we won't spawn it. And actually, we might need to do that check somewhere else, because if you recall from our buy trailer event, if we have enough money, we will spawn the trailer. Well, actually, we'll remove the money and then we'll spawn the trailer. But what we want to do is we want to see if it's clear to spawn the trailer or not before we remove the money. So it doesn't help you remove the money and you can't spawn the trailer. That makes absolutely no sense. So what we can do is, instead of checking whether there's enough money or not, we will check if the location is clear to spawn or not. So if it is not clear to spawn, then we will just notify the person and tell him, hey, please move your shit, bro. It's in the way. Right. Something went wrong? No, we're gonna say, your shit is in the way. Please move it. Fantastic. And we'll return. Simple as that. It's easy as that. If it isn't clear to spawn, just finish that function. If it isn't clear to spawn, we'll tell him, hey, move your stuff. Otherwise, we will continue with the things. Really easy stuff. Really easy stuff. Then, let's see. Right. Check if it has enough money. Actually spawn the vehicle, remove the money, add it to the own vehicle table, and save the trailer to our database. That concludes our buy trailer event. I'm so excited because now we can mark this off in all of our previous episodes since episode 5. That's crazy. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. So crazy. I'm not sure what our tasks or objectives will be for episode 11, but I'll give him a think, and I'll see you in episode 11. Thanks so much for watching, and I really do hope you enjoy the series as much as I am. Peace out.